Behemoth. Something that is very big and powerful. Your dog is a behemoth. Impeccable. Without mistakes or faults. Her written English is impeccable. Jaded. Tired and bored. I felt terribly jaded after working all weekend. Figurative. Different from the usual meaning, in order to create a particular mental picture. He exploded with rage, shows a figurative use of the verb explode. Relic. An object, a tradition, a system, etc., that has survived from the past. The building stands as the last remaining relic of the town's manufacturing industry. Wreak. To do great damage or harm to somebody or something. The country's policies would wreak havoc on the economy. Utopia. A place in which everything is perfect. Utopia does not exist in the real world. Vegetative. Alive, but showing no sign of brain activity. The stroke victim is in a vegetative state. Infringe. To break a law or rule. The material can be copied without copyright infringing. Subtlety. Not being obvious in one's actions. It's a thrilling movie even though it lacks subtlety.